Good afternoon, everybody. How is everyone? Folks, I hope everybody is doing good. I hope everybody is enjoying their tax season. What do we have here? We have a 2015 Mercedes GL550 4Matic all-wheel drive, Carfax certified, 2 owners only, with 39 service records plus what we serviced also. Folks, that is serious service records for a Mercedes, and it shows on the Carfax also. It does have the buyback guarantee. AMG 21-inch rims, xenon headlights with the LED and LED fog lights. An absolute beauty. Runs and drives beautiful. LEDs on the mirror, of course. Blind spot monitor right there, that little triangle there. Keyless entry, just need to have the key in your pocket. Aluminum running boards on both sides, black on black, absolute beauty. So let's take a quick look at this dash. No rips, no tears, nothing. Sunroof, yes. I'm sorry, panel roof. It opens from right there. Heated seats, cooled seats. Yeah, folks, it's a GL550. She's loaded. She's got everything. Passenger side rear door, no rips, no tears. Real walnut trim. Back seat, and guess what? Yes, it has factory DVD. Your headrest moves up and down here. This is stationary. Heated seats for the rear and rear climate control. Remote control for the DVD. Yeah, she is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go to the tailgate. LED tail lights, of course. That gorgeous chrome loading pad. I don't think anyone loaded anything at any given time on this. Yeah, she is absolutely beautiful, and you can fold your seats right here. And those will fold also if you needed more room. Let's take another look. Let's take a look at that headliner too. Gorgeous. It's just beautiful. Let's close our tailgate. Tow hitch, yes. Tires, brand new all the way around. Brand new. Third row seat. Nothing funny, folks. Nothing funny. Everything is absolutely the way it's supposed to be. If she was not clean, you know she would not be a Trimax Auto. Nice, very nice. Very, very nice. Let's close our hood and let's do our final walk around. Oops, left one door open. All right. Folks, she's loaded. Front camera, I'll show you guys in a minute. We have a white one, silver one in between those two cars right there, a white one, and this one. So 3 GL550s for you to choose from. GL550 has ton more horsepower than the 450. Very, very reliable vehicle. You just need to do your normal maintenance. Oh. Auto. Rear air control, heated seats, cooled seats. Yep. Headsets. Yeah, she is loaded. Pedal shifters right here. 96,000 original miles. Yeah, it's all open now. The fan is on right now. Absolute beauty. Absolute beauty. Folks, thank you so much. Sun is about to go down. I was rushing to get this in for you guys. Yeah, she's just beautiful. Luggage rack. There's your panel roof. There's your rear DVD, fully loaded. Folks, thank you so much. We've been doing this since 2007. Plenty of photos will be at trimaxauto.com, 757-222-0522. Point of contact is Justin. He'll be happy to help you guys out. Thank you for everything. Plenty of photos will be on the website. You guys take care. Bye-bye.